my god.
Really? They're made out of coffee?
They're really dry. I don't feel anything.
I mean, how's that even possible?
Last year, we delivered you the world's first waterproof everyday sneakers made from coffee and recycled plastic. Now, we bring you Nomad, the coffee sneaker built for athletic performance. But first, why coffee? Over 3 million tons of used grounds are thrown out every year, and almost none of it is handled responsibly. That's why we use a mix of used coffee grounds and recycled plastic to fight waste and create our durable upper. Coffee controls unpleasant odors to stay fresh all day, every day. 100% waterproof. No rain check required. Waterproof usually means hot and sweaty. Nomad is built for ventilation. Every element from the sole to the upper is designed to breathe. Our 3D knit is made tough for even the most extreme activities and ultralight to never weigh you down. A precision split outsole lets you experience maximum traction in any weather, on any terrain. Responsive, lightweight cushioning for supreme shock absorption and all-day comfort. An advanced stability system cradles your foot with an active fit and adaptable support. Now, no activity is off limits. Running, hiking, or exploring the world, Nomad brings you performance without boundaries. Life moves fast. That's why we created a pair of shoes that can minimize your footprint and maximize your... Last time, we redefined what an everyday shoe can be. Now, get ready to experience a world of adventure and activity without limits, all powered by sustainable materials. Step into Nomad and let nothing get in your way.